The use of junior ISAs in the UK is surging as people are trying to minimise the amount of inheritance tax they owe after recent Labour government changes, meaning that more and more of people's estates are included in inheritance tax calculations. So a big one is that now pensions are included for inheritance tax purposes, and so this means that roughly an extra 10,000 people will now be forcing that their children or whoever it is that's going to be inheriting their wealth to now pay inheritance tax. And so what are junior ISAs? Well, these are essentially like normal ISAs, but they're for people under the age of 18, and parents or guardians or whoever they want can contribute into these junior ISAs up to £9,000 a year, and that money can grow. You can earn dividends, income from that money, and it's all tax-free, just like a regular ISA. And so because of these inheritance tax changes that are coming in after April 2027, there's been apparently a 32% surge in people maxing out their junior ISAs at the end of 2025 compared to the end of the previous year. And so what normally is the case with junior ISA payments, depending on people's circumstances, is that you can gift this money into a junior ISA and it's sometimes immediately exempt from inheritance tax, depending on how it affects the donor's standard of living. And so this means a lot of the time it's quite a sensible thing to max out your child's junior ISA if you're looking to try and pass down your wealth in a very tax efficient way. But obviously, for context, this is not financial advice in any means, and so do seek a proper financial advisor if you are looking to try and minimize your inheritance tax bill in the most efficient way possible. And so what happens to these junior ISAs when the kid then eventually turns 18? Well, essentially they just convert into a regular ISA. And so you could find, if you had been maxing out your kid's junior ISA from the year that they were born, that they're going to have quite a healthy lump sum available to them when they do turn 18.